Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your birthday in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu, where we have some suggestions and some articles. From here we have to go into the profile menu, then tap on settings, and then tap on account settings. Here at the middle we find birthday. We can just tap on this and select the date when we were born to add it to the account. And after we are done, we can just tap on OK, and that's going to save the changes that we have made. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.